How to edit and change your phone number in your profile on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it or change it. Easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile in the top corner, and now click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Scroll all the way down until you find contacts, and here we'll find it. Now just change it and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.